Adho Mukha Svanasana, still in a symmetrical pose, and it is still a kind of a forward bend. Although, because the pelvis doesn't cooperate here as much, while you do the forward bend, see that you are untucking the pelvis without dropping your floating wrist down. Much more attention to the pelvis. Having created as much attention as you can to the pelvis, like you would do in a forward bend, untucking the pelvis to its maximum, without destroying it from outside at all. Deeply inwardly, meaning with your breath and with your tailbone action, do a back bend in the pelvis. As though the breath is doing the back bend. And bend the knees, come down. Rotating the top femurs into each other. And I really mean the top femurs. Don't rotate your nose, your knees internally. Or if they rotate in, they should not lead that rotation. The lead must come from the top of the femur. Lift your left leg up. When you lift the left leg up, the higher you try to lift the left leg, the more you are untucking the left half of the pelvis. Tuck the left half of the pelvis, but lift the leg. To lift the leg, do not untuck the pelvis. And come down. Go to the second side. Watch your pelvis. Lift the leg by length of the leg, not by untucking the right half of the pelvis. And come down, Tadasana.